it's been a while. Wanna go grab a coffee? Such a nice day, am I right? Nice to finally relax and enjoy the nature. Hey, hello? Are you okay? You scared me for a sec. Hey, let's go to my place. You seem off. No, you're not. You're not okay. You need help. Here, grab my shoulder. Here, I'll sit you down on the couch. Stay here. I'll be right back. Hey, I'm back. I got you some tea and medicine. Make sure to tell me when you're sick. I don't want to be worried all the time. I know you are, but Ryan, please. Fine. Here, just lay down. I'll go see what I can do to help. Hey, I'm back. I brought you a big blanket and a pillow. Hope you get comfortable, cause I'm going to go see if I could grab me another tea, just in case. Ryan, Whoa, what's wrong? Are you okay? Why are you crying? The thunder? Oh, I forgot. Hey, no. Look at me. It's okay. You're okay. You're gonna be okay. Just follow my voice and take a deep breath. See, everything's okay. As long as I'm here, you're going to be okay. Here, get next to me. Come on, let's cuddle and I'll try to calm you down more. Just next time tell me and remind me that you're scared of thunder. So I'll always be here